"Can't you just be nice to me?" My client asked his wife. "What does that even mean?" she replied. He was asking for connection. Think of being nice as consciously putting good things into the energetic space between you and keeping bad things out so you can connect. Positive things in the space between affirm, support, and just feel good to the other person. Negative things hurt or put them down, like criticism, judgment, and interruption. You don't have to mean it to hurt for it to be negative either. It may seem crazy to you that you could possibly have hurt them, but if they perceive it as negative, then accept that it is, because they've had different experiences and they are not you. Wouldn't you want the same consideration? Create connection and be nice by consciously curating what you put into the space between you. I'm RevDocLisa, Integral Healer, and I'm with you on the journey.